Welcome to Bold High Tech. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of action cameras as we explore the top 5 best GoPro cameras currently on the market. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a vlogger, or simply looking to capture life's most thrilling moments in stunning detail, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be reviewing each GoPro model based on its design, features, performance, and value for money. From the compact and powerful GoPro Hero 10 Black to the budget-friendly GoPro Hero 7 Silver, we'll uncover which camera suits your needs best. Join me as we compare image quality, stabilization, battery life, and the overall user experience of these fantastic devices. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of which GoPro camera is perfect for your next adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. Number 5. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a game-changer in the world of compact action cameras, offering a compelling blend of portability and advanced features. This sleek device captures stunning 360-degree footage in up to 5.7K resolution, delivering immersive videos that redefine what's possible with such a compact form factor. One standout feature is its stabilization technology, which ensures smooth footage even during fast-paced action. The Insta360 X3's flow-state stabilization is remarkably effective, making it ideal for capturing dynamic sports or adventure footage without the need for bulky rigs or gimbals. Additionally, the camera's AI editing capabilities simplify the post-production process, allowing users to create polished videos directly on their smartphones. The Insta360 X3 excels in versatility, offering multiple shooting modes like bullet time, time-lapse, and standard 360-degree video. Its waterproof design further enhances its usability, making it suitable for underwater adventures or rainy day excursions. Despite its compact size, the X3 doesn't compromise on image quality, delivering sharp and vibrant footage even in challenging lighting conditions. In conclusion, the Insta360 X3 is a must-have for content creators and adventurers seeking a versatile and compact action camera. Its combination of high-resolution capture, advanced stabilization, and intuitive editing tools sets a new standard for what a portable camera can achieve. Whether you're capturing extreme sports or everyday moments, the Insta360 X3 empowers you to create immersive and compelling videos with ease. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a powerhouse of a camera designed specifically for adventure enthusiasts and content creators. Boasting impressive features and a rugged design, this action camera competes strongly in the market with its excellent image quality and innovative functionalities. First and foremost, the Osmo Action 4 delivers stunning 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring crystal-clear footage even in fast-paced environments. The rock-steady stabilization technology minimizes shakes and bumps, providing smooth video output comparable to higher-end stabilizers. The camera's dual-screen setup, an LCD on the back and a front-facing screen, makes framing shots and capturing selfies effortless. Another standout feature is the camera's waterproofing, allowing it to dive up to 11 meters underwater without a housing. This makes it a perfect companion for snorkeling, surfing, or any water-based activities. Moreover, the Osmo Action 4's intuitive controls and voice command capability enhance its usability in challenging conditions. In summary, the DJI Osmo Action 4 stands out as a top-tier action camera, excelling in video quality, stabilization, and durability. Whether you're capturing extreme sports or everyday moments, this camera is a reliable and versatile tool that ensures impressive results in any environment. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a significant evolution in the renowned Hero series, delivering exceptional performance and versatility for action enthusiasts and filmmakers alike. This compact camera is packed with advanced features that elevate your shooting experience to new heights. Firstly, the Hero 11 Black offers stunning 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, ensuring unparalleled clarity and detail in your footage. Its hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization technology takes stability to the next level, making every shot incredibly smooth, whether you're biking down a trail or skiing through powder. One of the most impressive features is the updated Time Warp 4.0 mode, allowing you to create mesmerizing time-lapse videos with automatic speed adjustments based on motion, scene detection, and lighting. Additionally, the camera's improved low-light performance ensures that you can capture vibrant and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is a standout choice for action camera enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. With its high-resolution video capabilities, advanced stabilization, and innovative features like Time Warp 4.0, this camera empowers you to capture breathtaking moments with unparalleled clarity and creativity. Number 2. Osmo Brave 7 LE. The Osmo Brave 7 LE is a budget-friendly yet feature-packed action camera designed for adventurers and casual users alike. With its impressive set of capabilities, this camera offers great value for those seeking to capture their outdoor experiences without breaking the bank. The Brave 7 LE boasts 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and crisp 20-megapixel photos, ensuring sharp and vibrant imagery. Its electronic image stabilization (EIS) effectively reduces camera shake, providing smooth footage during action-packed activities like biking or skiing. The camera's dual-screen design allows for convenient framing and selfie shooting, making it ideal for vloggers and content creators. Additionally, the Brave 7 LE is waterproof up to 40 meters when used with the included case, making it suitable for diving and underwater adventures. Overall, the Osmo Brave 7 LE is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable and capable action camera that doesn't compromise on features or performance. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest flagship action camera from GoPro, offering exceptional performance and versatility for capturing stunning footage in any adventure. Equipped with a new 12K resolution sensor, the Hero 12 Black delivers incredibly sharp and detailed videos, setting a new standard in action camera imaging. The camera features Hypersmooth 4.0 technology, providing unparalleled stabilization for ultra-smooth footage, even in the most challenging conditions. With improved low-light performance and advanced HDR capabilities, the Hero 12 Black ensures vibrant and lifelike colors in all lighting situations. The Hero 12 Black is packed with features tailored for adventurers, including Time Warp 3.0 for creating dynamic time-lapse videos, Live Burst for capturing moments before and after the shutter is pressed, and Super Photo with improved HDR for stunning still images. The camera is also waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without an external housing, making it ideal for underwater adventures. With its rugged design, intuitive touchscreen interface, and compatibility with GoPro's extensive ecosystem of mounts and accessories, the Hero 12 Black is the ultimate action camera for capturing breathtaking moments and pushing the boundaries of adventure filmmaking. And that concludes our exploration of the top 5 best GoPro cameras. I hope you found this review helpful in making an informed decision about which GoPro model suits your needs best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also into action cameras. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these GoPro cameras, feel free to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you and engaging in discussions about tech and adventure gear. Make sure to subscribe to Bolt High Tech for more reviews, comparisons, and tips on all things related to action cameras, drones, and outdoor gear. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep capturing those epic moments with your GoPro.